What is Biofit? Those who have had the privilege of testing the Biofit product would claim that it is a miracle product for cutting down weight. Sure, it is one of the major benefits the product has. Biofit Probiotic is a natural product that exploits the use of a combination of gut microbes to restore health through cutting down weight. It is a diet supplement that harbors the most exciting breakthrough in the field of research concerning body weight loss. It has a unique feature in that you do not need to change your diets. The Biofit probiotic supplement functions by ensuring effectiveness in the digestion process. Biofit supplement has the ideal promise of effectiveness. Its positive claim of improved energy utilization within the body, food digestion, and gradual loss of unnecessary body fats is overwhelming. Call it a life restoration supplement, a blood sugar blaster, a bio-solution for weight loss, or even an affordable body weight management supplement for all genders, because that is what it is. It is the only supplement that works without affecting our meal preferences. How does Biofit supplement function in the body? The most interesting thing concerning Biofit supplement is their functionality in the body. Have you ever tried weight loss therapies and got results almost immediately? Only Biofit probiotic guarantees almost instant results upon its consumption. Biofit supplement has Bacillus subtilis, which helps in burning down fats using short fatty acid chains. It also gradually lowers hunger hormones. The Biofit supplement also has another microbe that functions to lower abdominal pains. Lactobacillus rhamnosus also functions to produce an insulin-resistant substance that facilitates the full conversion of foods into energy. The other bacteria are Bifidobacterium breve, which facilitates in breaking down fats. Lactobacillus strain also helps in breaking and lowering lactic acid levels, which contribute to significant weight loss without foregoing your favorite meals. These miraculous microbes in combination help in fat burning, which can be found in one supplement. The supplement is less of toxins and 100% pure. What does Biofit do in the body? Most people have been thinking that the only solution to cut off excessive body weight is only through vigorous body activities and change of diet, but that is not the case. The secret lies beneath our body chemistry, how we consume food, how it is metabolized and assimilated in our bodies. Numerous research intended to determine the functionality of our digestive system have found out it is mediated by microbes, and their ability to break down food materials lies in the future of biomicrobe-mediated body fitness. It is difficult to abandon the lifestyle which one adopted since birth, and therefore coming up with alternative solutions of maintaining admirable body weight while still eating our preferable foods is in our daily wants. As mentioned earlier, changing diet and having vigorous physical activities are some of the widely conceived methods of cutting weight, but the consistency in these activities is the main challenge. Upcoming research works on the digestive system flora is an invaluable milestone in restoring health and happiness among many United States residents and other people with similar problems in the world. Are Biofit products certified, driven by the need to restore health and empower women who are most affected by the problem of weight gain upon delivery? The company has conducted sufficient research that indicates that the claimed product is legal and acceptable. The products are limited in number due to the long period for processing a single dispatch. The company has bound itself to the set rules by the processing firms and has not attempted to increase the rate of production despite the product's high demand. The products are authentic and from a reputable processing firm, which has ensured that every capsule has the right proportion of the biomicrobes and in the right amounts. The product has been vigorously tested with its production formula being assessed by a third party to ensure that whatever is written in the container matches the contents inside. The manufacturing company has also ensured the purity of the product through strict following of manufacturing rules. It also ensures that there are no synthetic substances or artificial ingredients in the supplements. It is a reliable product whose quality and functionality are a guarantee. Biofit reviews. Conclusion. Overall Biofit probiotic reviews. Conclusion. Biofit probiotic is a dietary supplement and a product of Biofit company which is located in the United States. The company utilizes scientific knowledge to form a solution of losing weight without necessarily giving up the dietary habits and favorite dishes through providing a natural solution that combines microbes that assist in food breakdown and assimilation. The manufacturing formula incorporates 7 different bacteria that serve different purposes in the gut to help in breaking down fats. The supplement has a spore delivery mode of action which ensures that the bacteria reach the gut alive to perform their intended functions. The supplements are safe and compatible with any preferable meals and have no effects on the body. The recommended dosage is 1 capsule per day for a period of 30 days minimum with an extended period of up to 90 days for optimum results. The supplements are available at discounted prices over the website with 1 bottle going for $69 while in its 6-pack it goes for $49. One can order the product through the website and be sure of the immediate results. Biofit is a leading solution to body weight. Many who have used the product have testified of its effectiveness.